Hey guys, my name is Maddie and welcome to AFI Explains. In this series, we teach you everything there is to know about fragrance and scented goods. So in today's episode, we'll cover everything that you need to know about hot process soap. So what is it? How is it made? And what makes it different than other soap types? You may already be familiar with the cold process soap making method, as we've spoken about it on this channel in the past. If you know about cold process soap, hot process isn't too much different than what you already are familiar with. The biggest difference between cold and hot process soap making is the heat that is applied. Hot process soap made from scratch starts just like cold process. It is a combination of fatty acid rich oils, butters, and fats with aqueous sodium hydroxide lye. When combined, these ingredients go through a chemical reaction called saponification. With the hot process method, this reaction is carried out in a stovetop pot or crock pot. To begin, the butters, oils, and fats are melted down in the heating element of choice. When they are within 10 degrees of the cooling lye water solution, the aqueous lye that can be added into the fatty acid containing ingredients, and the hot process method begins. When cold process soap goes through saponification, it enters what is referred to as gel phase. When the hot process method is used, the soap is essentially cooked through the gel phase completely. This gives it a thick and viscous appearance, making for very rustic looking completed bars. One of the reasons soap makers choose the hot process soap method over the others is the belief that hot process does not need to be cured for the full month-long period of time like cold process soap does. This is not entirely true, as there is still water content in hot process bars that needs time to really evaporate. Ideally, hot process bars should be left to fully harden for at least a week to ensure that they produce a stable lather and remain firm. Because hot process soap is much thicker before being molded, it comes out looking a lot more homemade, so to speak. So the final bars often look chunky and may have some air bubbles present in them, but that doesn't impact how well the bars actually work. Hot process soap can still be colored and layered, it just lacks the ability to create those intricate swirls, which are much more capable in cold process soap. Some soap makers and consumers prefer this look to the polished appearance of what cold process, as it truly exhibits a homemade soap, has looked like for decades. So if you're interested in learning how to make your very own hot process soap, let us know down in the comments below and we'll have a tutorial coming your way in no time. And we hope you learned something new from this episode of AFI Explains. Be sure to leave us a like and subscribe to our channel, and if you did, thank you. And until next time, my name is Maddie, and I'll catch you guys in the next one really soon. Bye!